Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how to view unread messages on Gmail using your PC with the latest update. If you want to make sure you don't miss any important messages, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your features. Once you're in Gmail, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the top right corner. Click on those dots to open the app launcher, then select Chat from the menu. Now that you're in the Chat section, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you'll find various options. Click on Home to return to your main Gmail interface. At the top of the page, you'll see a tab labeled Unread. Click on this tab, and it will filter your messages to show only the unread ones. This makes it super easy to catch up on anything you might have missed. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your unread messages in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.